Open the SquareLine Studio software. You can use the trial version for demonstration. Register an account if needed. Click to create a blank project. Enter the resolution based on your device. The resolution of T5S3 is 540 x 960. After entering, click Create. Here we demonstrate a label and change its content to Lily Go Ovo. Here are some label properties. Now we increase the font size and save. You can design any UI you like based on your needs. To export the UI, click Export. Export UI files. Choose the location to save the exported files. Once you see a success message, the UI has been exported successfully. After getting the T5S3 e-paper example code from GitHub, open it in VS Code. This is the T5S3 project. First, modify src.odir and platformio.ini to lvgl test. Open main.ino. This is the program entry point. The top section is device initialization. UI entry is the UI entry function. You can find this function in UI CPP. Next, import the exported UI code into UI entry. Create UI objects on the active screen layer, Act. Set the display size of the object to 100%. Apply color inversion to match the e-paper screen's requirements. Some code is retained specifically to suit the T5S3 e-paper features. If the object is not declared, declare it at the top of the code. Font errors occur because the corresponding font flag is not enabled. Open lvconf.h in the lib folder. Scroll down to the font definitions. Change the value for font size 48 from 0 to 1 and save. Click the bottom left button in VS Code to compile. Compilation is successful and the firmware is ready. Before flashing, switch the device to download mode. Keep the device connected to the PC, press and hold the boot button. Press the RST button once. Click the download button and wait for the firmware to be flashed. Firmware is now successfully flashed to the device. Press the reset button to reboot the device. This is the effect after flashing the firmware.